Wilderness Edition 2023.
Oh, nice.
It sits a little higher. Great technology, very outdoorsy, and it, bigger computer screen.
Nice.
So I am driving a 2026 Outback, and I love it so much.
My husband both have a Crosstrek. Yeah, they're different colors, but we both have a Crosstrek, and prior I had a Forester.
Nice.
I've had two Crosstreks. I had a 2016 and a 2017.
How do you feel about the car, Emma?
This company is super involved in its community and sharing events like this, and it's been really cool to experience.
And I want to first thank all of our staff and our guests for coming and making time out of their day, everyone from Huntington Beach. Our mission in coming here is to do business different. Orange County had such a skewed way of doing business, and really every dealer I've seen in the market where they're charging just unnecessary add-ons and addendums, and we're here to change that. That is going to be our philosophy moving forward. And